Let me tell you quickly about the IELTS format and then we'll dive into the tips. IELTS listening is same for both academic and general training. It lasts for 30 minutes and it includes 40 questions which are split into 4 sections. The question gets harder as you progress through the test. You have to get correct 30 questions to get 7 bands and 35 questions to get 8 bands. IELTS listening is a difficult test where you have to listen, read and write at the same time. To make it easy, you have to revise the upcoming question and then just you have to listen and write. You'll be getting 10 minutes of time to transfer your answer for paper-based and only 2 minutes of time for computer exam. I will guide you how to use your English skills to the fullest to answer the questions more accurate and faster. Here we'll discuss time management. To manage your time well, we need to know about the reading strategy. You'll always have 3 sections in reading. For academic, you'll be having 3 passages, but for in general training, you'll be having 5 passages. That is, for first section, you'll be having 2 passages and second section also you'll be having 2 passages. But in third section, you'll be having 1 passage, probably the long text. The first question is always the easiest one and the last question is always the difficult one. If you take 20 minutes of time for your easiest question, that is first question, you won't get enough time for your last question, that is difficult question. So for first section, that is easiest section, you have to complete within 15 minutes and the second you have to complete within 20 and the third is 25 minutes. So you can manage your time. In writing, you'll be having 2 sections. And the main important in writing is you have to avoid using contractions, using very and using a lot. Instead use many, much and number of. In task 2, make your introduction short. Every paragraph should have a centric point. Develop your ideas and explain what do you mean and give an example. Why is it so? Speaking. In simple terms, the examiner listens out the way you put your thoughts together, especially how you expand or extend your answers.